To hit $100,000 faster than anyone else, you need to start by changing your mindset immediately. Most people won't even get close, but you're about to see why that's your advantage. Every second you're not working on building your 100K, someone else is. And here's the real hook. They're not working any harder than you, just smarter. The biggest mistake people make is waiting. You want to get there fast? Forget about later. It's today, right now, or never. Here's a shocking truth. Every dollar you don't save is costing you thousands in the long run. The trick is this. Automate your savings and forget about it. Set aside a percentage of every dollar you make before you even think about spending it. Because here's the secret. They don't want you to know how easy it can be to save 100K. But you're already ahead just by paying attention to these steps. Think of every dollar as an employee working for you. The more you save, the harder your employees work. But the question is, will you put them to work or let them slip away? Let's talk about the next level. Cutting expenses that are bleeding your savings dry. The average person wastes thousands on pointless things. Could that be you? It's time to get ruthless. What if I told you the $4 coffee habit is what's keeping you from 100K? Doesn't sound like much, right? But let's do the math. Saving even $50 a week compounds into thousands over time. This is where the game changes. It's not about working more, it's about keeping more. The people who hit 100K faster cut out the fluff. The reality is, debt is your enemy. Every day you're in debt, compound interest is working against you. The fastest way to hit 100K? Kill your debt first. Every dollar paid off is like making an instant return on your investment. Are you still sitting on credit card debt? Pay it down now, or watch it drain your future wealth. Think about it. Could you hit 100K sooner if your money wasn't being drained by interest payments? The answer is obvious. Next, let's talk income. The harsh reality? Cutting expenses isn't enough. If you're not increasing your income, you're moving too slow. How much money have you left on the table by not starting that side hustle? Think of the opportunities you're ignoring every day by not pushing for more income. The people who make 100K fast are relentless about stacking income streams. Don't believe me? The numbers don't lie. Adding just $500 extra a month will get you there much faster. Are you going to let someone else take the opportunities that are right in front of you? And here's where it gets exciting. Compound interest. You've probably heard it before, but do you know how it can turn a tiny amount of money into a six-figure sum? Start with just $100 a week, let it compound, and watch what happens. Want proof? If you let that money grow for a few years, you'll be closer to 100K than you thought possible. But the catch? You have to start now, or you're falling behind every day. Now, what about risk? If you're thinking of playing it safe, you might need to rethink your approach. Calculated risks are how fortunes are made. Index funds are great, but taking advantage of riskier, high-growth opportunities without gambling everything can get you to that first $100 even faster. Are you willing to push yourself to make bold moves, or will you sit back and let others cash in on opportunities? Your taxes are also slowing you down. It's time to take advantage of every tax break possible. You want a shortcut? Max out your 401k or IRA. Not only does it reduce your taxable income, but it's also another way to let your money grow faster, tax-free. Every dollar saved from taxes is another dollar working for you. How much are you giving away by not taking advantage of this right now? So to recap, cut costs ruthlessly. Kill your debt before it kills your wealth. Increase your income with no excuses, and let compound interest do the heavy lifting. This is the game plan, the successful use to hit $100 while most people are stuck in the mud. If you've listened this far, you already know that achieving 100K is within your reach. The only question left is, are you going to take action, or are you going to let these strategies slip by? And if you want more strategies that no one else is talking about, you know what to do. Subscribe.